Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to authenticate your Google Authenticator. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Google Authenticator application, and after that you will have to tap into this add a code option. And after tapping into add a code option, you'll get so many options into this page. Now you can choose either scan a QR code or enter a setup key. Just simply select the suitable option for you. I'm choosing this scan a QR code option. Now after choosing scan a QR code option, you just simply have to open any of your devices, and there just simply open setup authentication page and then load the QR code. Then just simply scan the QR code from your phone. Now into the another screen, you just simply have to put this code which is showing into my screen. This way you can easily authenticate your Google Authenticator into your services. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.